Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the order of apps on Apps screen on ZTE Android TV Box. You can see in the Apps screen there are different apps here, and if you want to change their order you'll need to click on Settings on your remote, then go to Device Preferences, go to Home screen, and now you can find Reorder apps. Then select the app that you want to change the order of, and you'll see how it changes. Right now, once you click on OK, select a different app that you may want to reorder, and that's how you basically do it. You can also move it down or up or however you want. And yeah, that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.